This is Anant and I am here to brief you about an OpenCart module on behalf of Codisop.com. So let's begin with our module installation process. As we can see, this is not the first module that we are implementing, so most of the customers know how to install the module. So if you don't know how to install the OpenCart module, then you can check our another video. The link is given in the description below. You may check it to know more about how to install OpenCart extension. I will go to the next step, that is uploading the modification that I have already done for our module CES product previous next. Let's quickly just jump to the installation configuration setting of the module. Let me just quickly check, and after the installation of the module, upload the modification file and then refresh the modification, and then come here in the extensions module part and edit the module. Then you can see there is only one option that needs to be changed. It should be disabled by default, and then when you need to use this module you have to enable this. After the installation and saving this configuration field to enable, we will click on save. After clicking on save, it is successfully modified. So what we are going to do is just quickly jump to the front end of this website, and here we can see different products of iMac. So as we just search Mac here, refresh it, and then we click on iMac. So the next product is MacBook. When I click on iMac, here you can see next product is MacBook. When I will click on the MacBook, it will open the MacBook product and it will show next product available is MacBook Air and previous product is iMac. So you can go through and jump in the next product one by one. Here you can see there is no next product showing, so it means we have come to an end of this previous next option. Let me just quickly go to the search page where we have searched. Here you can see there are only 4 products, so we can jump 1 time, 2 time and 3 times to the end. Most important part of this module is that whatever you will search, it will show the next and previous products as per the search results. Like here, no products in previous and next. So here you can see that in the search page you have only one product. Quickly just search Mac ME. Here you can see 6 products with this search. So I will quickly jump to MacBook Air. Next product are MacBook Pro and Samsung SyncMaster. Here you can see MacBook Pro and Samsung SyncMaster, and next no product. So it basically can be used with the search options, where you have searching or the search criteria that you are being using. It will the previous next will help you in going through all the steps with the search that you have been using so far. And as you can see with the brands also, if I go to Hewlett Packard, here there is only one product, so no previous next button are there. check with our Apple products. There are so many Apple products, you can see there are 10 of them. So if I go to Apple Cinema, here there is no previous product, as you can see in the search page also. When I click on my Mac, it will search. Same with the search results, there is no change in the search. The product next and previous are based on the search results that have been showing on the search page. Okay, that will be the wrap of this video. Hope you like it, and if you want to know more about the module, we have a blog for this module and all the modules that we built, so you can check with our blogs, and if you have any issue or query, you can drop a mail to us at contact@codystop.com. I will add the link in the description and email also. So stay tuned for more updates, and do subscribe to our channel so that you can get our latest updates videos. Thank you.